Hi everybody, it's Miss Kathleen here. I wanted to read you a story today. It's called 5 Little Raindrops Falling from the Sky. Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raindrops are something we see a lot of in the springtime. There's a saying, April showers, meaning rain showers, bring May flowers. So today is a beautiful sunny day, but maybe we'll get some rain to make the flowers grow soon. Five little raindrops falling from the sky. One splashed into a butterfly. The robin told the blue jay, and the blue jay said, "No more raindrops falling from the sky." 4 little raindrops spinning through the air. One woke up a big brown bear. Ooh, he looks grumpy. The beaver told the rabbit, and the rabbit said, "No more raindrops spinning through the air." 3 little raindrops swirling all around. One sank into the muddy ground. The turtle told the duckling, and the duckling said, "No more raindrops swirling all around." 2 little raindrops blowing in the breeze. One fell beneath 2 towering trees. The squirrel told the chipmunk, and the chipmunk said, "No more raindrops blowing in the breeze." 1 little raindrop tumbling toward a trail, bounced and twirled and landed on a snail. The beetle told the cricket, and the cricket said, "No more raindrops tumbling toward a trail." The rain kept falling. The egret took a look. 5 little raindrops trickled toward a brook. The brook kept flowing. It was like a dream. 5 little raindrops approached a sparkling stream. The stream branched off just a little sliver. 5 little raindrops headed for the river. The river's winding journey ended at the sea. 5 little raindrops as happy as can be. The sun came out, the weather hot and dry. Lots of teeny droplets rose up to the sky. Waiting in the cloud for the next time when 5 little raindrops fall from the sky again. The end.